this is the really very, very cool Omega juicer. So let's undo it, put it together. You guys can see just how simple and easy it is. This is where this goes in here. This is how we're going to juice some celery, but you can juice anything in here. So we are going to close it so it's good and secure. This is the catch bowl. It's going to catch our celery juice. We're going to put in the masticator, the net, and the celery attachment. So the celery attachment has this little green thing in the inside. There is another one for other fruits that does not have that green silicone stopper. That's going to go there. That is going to go right over here like that. So simple. This is going to help push this down here. And we are going to just juice our celery. So just so simple, yummy, yummy celery. We'll do a couple of stalks, and you'll see just how awesome it is. So, should we do it? Let's begin. I mean, it is quick and easy. In no time. That's what I love about these products that we are demonstrating today, is that they are very easy and simple to use, easy to clean. This cleans like in seconds. It's amazing. But I mean, we have so much celery juice, I don't even think I need to juice anymore. So you can see, look at this. This is the fiber. This is how much juice is extracted. This is so dry. Because it absolutely pulls out every ounce of liquid from the celery. So you're getting as much nutrients, as much juice as you possibly can. I'm considering how much juice that we actually got. Look at this. Fresh and delicious.